Career development is blank. Ayan, career development is A, relative position of persons in society. B, mark of recognition given in honor of an achievement. C, progress in one's occupation or workplace, or yan. And D, government regulation requiring a license to pursue a particular profession. Ang tamang sagot for this one is letter C. It's progress in one's occupation or workplace. Pinaparealize din sa atin bilang mga guro ang halaga ng career development. At paano po natin yan magagawa? Sa pamamagitan ng ating CPD, di ba? Na ang pinakapunto po ng CPD o ng Continuous Professional Development, hindi po dapat tayo stagnant sa pagkatuto. Kailangan po lifelong ang ating learning para mag-develop po yung ating career. Not just dun sa position ng pagkakaroon kumbaga ng higher position, kumbaga magiging kang master teacher o di kaya teacher 3 ka agad. Hindi lang ho yun, development din po doon sa ating upbringing bilang mga guro, development din po doon sa ating skills, okay? So it's generally the progress in one's occupation or workplace.